सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद।
23rd Dhul Hijjah al-Haram, Urs Mubarak of al-Mu'mineen, Hazrat Sayyidatuna Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha. al-Mu'mineen, Hazrat Sayyidatuna Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha was born to the tribe of Banu Nudair. Her actual name was Zainab. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam gave her the name of Safiya. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam himself said, O Safiya, how can anyone be superior to you? You can say, Hazrat Harun alayhi salam is my father, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam is my uncle, and Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam is my husband. She radiyallahu ta'ala anha was very tolerant and wise. al-Mu'mineen, Hazrat Sayyidatuna Safiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha passed away at the age of 60 on the 23rd of Dhul Hijjah al-Haram, 52 Hijri in Medina Sharif. She radiyallahu ta'ala anha is buried in Jannatul Baqi. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon her, and may we be forgiven without accountability for her sake.
Sallu alal habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
Sallu alal habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।